fish. Wait, that's not tortilla power. Look, you're knocking up the egg. Look at fish. They do tortilla power to him. That's baby tortilla power. Can you take the paper off?
Oh, you know what? My fingers are dirty. Maybe ask Mommy to do it.
What?
She must be. She must take it.
How can follow tortilla to that fish?
Jay, I hope you still have those napkins, right?
I do. That's a giant goose.
I know, but I'm talking about that little fish right here.
Oh, that little fish? That's not a fish.
It isn't? What is it?
It looks like some sort of a rock.
It is a fish. I can see the tail. Let me see. What kind of?
Maybe it's a dead turtle. Right in front of the goose. See that goose? Look right in front of it.
Oh.
There's like this thing sticking out. Looks like a turtle butt.
No, it isn't. So you don't you dare poop yourself in there. Oh, these guys are gonna rule the land.